You see? Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know the vibes, man. Man, it's your boy. And it's Christmas evening. Kind of it's Virginia with the fam. You know what I'm saying? Doing it. Yeah, you see, I got the new hat for Christmas. Real nice. You know what I'm saying? What's popping over here, though? What's popping over here, though? Yes, indeed. You already know. Today is another life. You know what I'm saying? Over there getting the paint going on. Let me see. Let me flip that.
I made this one. I made you and mommy.
Okay, yeah, back.
And then right now
it's mad windy out here, son.
we good. We good. We good.
Alright, back there. Just be careful.
Good.
Be careful of the whip. Just watch the whip. Show y'all do y'all thing. Yeah, man. Christmas morning. Real nice. I'm gonna put the blades on. Probably do some laps or something like that. And we're gonna go ahead and cut that out.
I sacrificed my hands.
Sacrifice your hands.
Look at my hands. I'm a paint monster.
Yeah, you're wildin'. But yeah, man. Yeah, bag's already out of the trunk, so go ahead, grab my skates here. Freaking everybody's skates back there. I ain't gonna lie. I know we get it in. Lace up my blades, should I say? Not really skates, but blades. Wow. Yes, sir. Wow. Need these. Light speed, baby. Alright, we suited and booted. Hold on, man. Alright, we suited and booted. Right there. Bleed it up. I gotta get a feel for it again. It's been a little while since I actually been on blades. And I also had a freaking injury from after running the marathon. So this is my first time on rollerblades post-injury. So we'll see. It was my left knee. So we'll kind of see how it goes. I think it'll be okay. But bro, no lie, I took that right back off. Almost died on that hill, bro. Almost. So boom, I put them on, right? I'm going up the hill. It's cool. Alright, I'm getting my foot. Okay, cool. I can do this. Boom. I turn around. I start freaking going down. I picked up speed instantly. I was like, bro, no, I'm not ready. Yo, this hill was mad steep. Let me see. I don't know if you really see how. It's wild. So I'm gonna practice on some flat top, some flag top. Not today though. I'm chilling. Got the custom. You know we always gotta have the socks, man. You already know, man. Oh, hold on. Ugh. I know it's not Halloween no more, but you know, these vibes on them. Yeah, go right. Seriously, booty vibes. That man must love y'all. I'm out. curious. So I'm cleaning my car, right? How many of y'all actually clean the engine bays of your cars, though? Like wipe them down, cleaning and stuff. This is the 2020, I believe, Kia Forte. I mean, it's not too bad, but I don't know. I was just curious how many people actually get under and wipe their engine bays, man. 'Cause them joints can be kind of crazy if you let it.